What is going on, everyone? Welcome to the Thai Pod. My name is Mintai, and in this podcast today, I want to talk to you about the $5 mo because it seems like some of y'all out there who still think the $5 mo add-on in the nail salon is a scam. It's a way for nail tech to make money and hustle the client. Boy, before you start all that crazy rumor, you gotta know the history of the $5 mo. And today, we're about to give you some history so you know where the $5 mo started. But before we start the show, you know how we like to get down. Uh, uh, mm, mm, eh, eh. All right, y'all. All right. I know y'all feeling it. Let's slow it down one bit. So look, let me clear out the air on where the $5 mo started. First, back in the day, when people started doing nails, it was simple. They only do one color. No gel, solid color. And then everything was going nice. $20 for a full set, $18 for a fill, $15 for a pedicure, $12 for manicure, polish change $8. And then now you got fancy people coming in trying to be creative with the nail. Be like, hey, can I get a couple dots? Can I get a couple swish line? And at that moment right there, it opens up the door for what we call nowadays is called add-ons. All the nail tech was like, ooh, what do we do? Oh my God, they're asking for a line. Nobody ever asked for a line. What do we do? Should we call up the manager, the boss, CEO, executive board? First of all, it's a nail salon, guys. Let's be real. There is no executive board. There's no CEO. You literally working for a family until death do us part. What's that supposed to mean? Back in the day, there was not a lot of nail salon. It's family owned. You get along with that certain family. You work for them until you have your own salon. That's how it is. So anyways, long story short, that's where the add-on started. They start doing dots. They start doing all this swoosh line for $2, $1, $3. And as time start rolling forward, people want to look bougie. People want to look classy because the hoochie mama era was about to slow down. All the long nail, they about to like slow down. They wanted to look nice, classy. So they came out with the white tips. Now that is where the game of the nail industry changed dramatically. And that, my friend, is when the birth of the $5 mo started. White tips gave birth to $5 mo. And let me tell you why. Back in the day, $20 for a full set. If the clients ask, I want white tips, guarantee $5 mo. So that white tip full set is $25. And it was way easier. Imagine doing a regular full set. You apply the acrylic on, you still got to polish. White tip, you put the white tips on, you put the acrylic, top coat, you're done. And that is where some of the clients think is a scam. Because they say, how come it's $5 more when it's less work? But y'all don't understand. The person you got to blame is the demand, not the nail tech. Demand. When there's a lot of client demanding for something, that is the moment we take advantage of the opportunity and make it $5 more. Demand and supply, y'all. Okay? But our reasons to the client back in the day was because the white tip cost more to buy versus the regular tips. But the truth is, it didn't cost that much. It was the demand that made it happen. Boy, you don't understand how nail tech was loving the white tip during that era. Everybody coming, oh, white tip, white tip, white tip. Okay, white tip, white tip, white tip. Oh, easy money. That's just being real, y'all. And because the $5 mold started it, it has generated through the last 20 years of the nail industry with the $5 mold become the secret numbers in the nail salon. And now you got to understand why it's the secret of the number of the nail salon. Why is it not $10? Why is it not 15? Why is it not 4? Because 5 sounds a lot easier to purchase than 10 and doesn't sound as cheap as 4. That is the reason why we picked the $5. And on top of that, for a lot of Asian who doesn't speak English that much, 5 is just an easier pronunciation than 10 than 4. 5. You can raise up a 5 and it's still a 5. That's why we use 5. But I'm telling you, the $5 more add-on is not a scam. Because some of y'all clients out there be asking for a lot and y'all expect it to come with the service. Look, a full set is me clipping down your natural nail, filing down your natural nail, put the tips on, put the primer on, acrylic, polish. That's it. But the moment you open your mouth and you say, I want a line, just want to let you know anything that you want is an add-on, okay? It didn't come with the set. So y'all just thinking it's a scam because y'all don't want to pay the $5 more. But at the end of the day, it makes sense. Because y'all should be happy with the $5 more. Because some places right now, it ain't $5 more no more. It's $10 more and up. Okay? But there's still a lot of places use $5 more. How much for the rhinestone on one finger? $1. How much on 5 finger? $5 more. Makes sense. How much is the flower? $5 more. How much is the callus remover? $5 more. It just sounds flow, easy, and it's cheap, y'all. Because you're not paying for the product. A lot of time, y'all always thinking about the product. Y'all need to stop thinking about the product. Y'all need to start thinking about the time, the effort, the skills. Those are what you're paying for. You're not paying for no product. We can give you a whole bottle of acrylic paint. You can go home and paint it yourself. But that's not the point. The point is that that's where the $5 more came through. It's not a scam. It's called add-on. And the add-on is $5 more. Sing it with me, y'all. $5 more. $5 more. Sing it louder. $5 more. $5 more. It's not a scam. And if you are, as a nail tech, being ashamed of the $5 more, then you're not making the right money. Yeah, some of y'all will add it to the service, but in the middle of the service, what if the client be like, oh, can I add this? $5 more, you want to add some. It's not that bad, y'all. It's not that bad. Sometimes you just got to know the history behind it. And at the end of the day, we are blessed with the white tips. It is sad that we don't use as much white tip no more because now everybody want that sharp French. But hey, without the white tips, there wouldn't be $5 more. All right, y'all. Stop with the emotional. I know y'all getting sensitive. Now y'all want to go out there, spend your $5 more with the salon. Anyways, I love y'all so much. Y'all stay up. Until next time. Get it. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Till next time with the Tide Pod. I'm out.